Managing multiple WordPress sites can be a headache, but Modular DS is here to make your life easier. If you're a marketing agency, web designer, or freelancer handling several client sites, this tool can automate maintenance tasks and help you scale your recurring revenue. In this video, we'll show you how Modular DS can simplify your WordPress management and save you time. Modular DS consolidates all your WordPress sites into one easy-to-use dashboard. Forget logging into each site separately. Now you can update plugins, install themes, and manage WordPress core versions across multiple sites with just one click. It even checks for vulnerabilities to ensure your sites are always secure. With Modular DS, uptime monitoring is automatic. You'll get instant alerts if a site goes down and can set custom monitoring intervals. The backup feature lets you schedule daily, weekly, or instant backups stored safely in the cloud for easy recovery with just a click. Generate detailed reports to showcase your work to clients. You can include data from Google Analytics, WooCommerce, and more, and send them as PDFs or landing pages. Ready to streamline your WordPress management? Get lifetime access to Modular DS today and save time while growing your business. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions.